Last meet. It was approximate 8 p.m. Maybe it was exam time. I was reading into my hostel room. After a long time to have fresh air, I came outside from my room. Sitting alone on the bench, which was half broken like me. I don't know why I was thinking about her. Might be isolation gave me snooze of her. I was in my thinking. Just then my phone buzzed. I checked it. It was her call. After a long time, at this time, I picked up that call, and as usual, my favorite voice spoke to me. I want to meet you now, dear. Shall we meet now? She asked me. I was kind of passive mode here because even I don't know what should I speak to her. I told her, yes, meet me at our place. It was such long time that we were talking to each other on phone. She came there on her scooty. I usually by legs. The place was not so far from my hostel. It was just outside where we used to sit after dinner. Under a bright shining moon, she was looking beautiful. Not just beautiful, but more than that. We shook our hands. I hoped she would hug me rather, but a kind of shame she was feeling cause we were not now in relationship. I was happy rather because I still loved her. That is why isolation gave me her snoozes. She wanted to say something, but how to start? A moment came there was a complete silence. No she nor I spoke a word. She was crying maybe. I could not see it properly because of dim light. But yes, she was. She was crying. I asked the reason. She spoke nothing. Suddenly she kissed me. What? A kind of fire she has. I was melted down like glacier into the ocean. Sorry for that. I don't know why. I could not stop myself to be yours. She broke the silence. I was silently listening her with amazement. She continued her talk. I am here for only reason that to say goodbye. We would never meet again in this life. I love you and always doing it with my heart. My father has arranged my marriage with other guy and I cannot resist my father's decision because I love him so much and I don't have guts to ask for our love. She was sobbing. I tried to make her calm. After a while, she was silent. She stood up and hugged me. Her last word, maybe I would never erase from my memories. This is wonderful journey that I have traveled with you in this life. May some love story has this kind of end. Well, we will meet where can no one make us apart. See you in next life with better luck. I love you always. With these last words, she drove her scooty without looking back. I was still in silence. Whenever I sat alone, her memories came to me and knocking the door of my heart, and my eyes get flooded with salty water.